Where are we going, Bree?
Fishing.
Yeah.
That's why the camera's there.
Uh-huh. Whoa, look at that lady catch one. Whoa, hurry up, hurry up. Go talk to her. It's just, you heard. Okay. Ready?
You're kind of sparkly.
Yeah, you want to hold the rod? Well, you see, look, you see the hook? Don't touch that. Very pointy. Let's feed the ducks.
Can I feed that?
When we see them. See, there's too much seaweed here. She's a pro. I seen her catch a fish once. Let me see it. Hold it out. Don't pull it because I have the hook. I don't want you getting me with the hook.
It makes it bleed.
See what I do? Look. See the worm, squiggly.
Yeah.
We just see. I know.
Yeah.
Oh, stop! You already had worms in school. Okay.
No, but those are green. Look. Look.
What are we looking at?
Look at it.
Hold on. Let me zoom in. She knows how to catch fish.
But not
Can you see all the fish? She's the best.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
They like the bait she's using. Are you having fun?
I wish I can catch one with my hands.
Look at them all go. I told you you'd get one. Look at this one.
This one's cut in his half.
How big you think he is? He's about 5 pounder?
Yeah.
Yeah, he weighs about 5 pounds.
Can I touch him?
Sure could. You're gonna let him go. Go ahead, touch him.
I hate it. I hate him. I
Why?
hate it because he has teeth.
Where's the teeth? Show me the teeth. That's your teeth. Where's his teeth?
There, inside his...
No, look. He has no teeth. Let's hold him by the grass so in case you drop him. But then you're gonna let him in the water slowly, okay?
Hello.
Huh? Huh? We got one. Ready?
I got one.
Well, I try to take credit for it. Oh yeah. Ready? Anybody can catch. She catches him by the tail. We catch him with our bare hands. Okay? Do you want to? Are you gonna see mommy? Okay. So there's two things here. Are you a million people? Are you ready? Watch this, mommy. You gonna show mommy how to do it? Come here.
Look at that turtle.
Yeah, you see it?
Cool. I want to catch one.
Come on. Well, let's throw it. Come here. Come here.
Turtle.
Yes, you will. Maybe he'll bite this. Okay, don't pull it too fast. Reel it in slowly. Oh, look at that big fish. Yo, dude. That's a bet. Do you think you have it? Oh, look at the turtle going for it.
There we go.
Bree, you might got one. Reel it in. Nope.
Look at the turtle. He's trying to get it.
I can't put it back in.
Okay. I got it. That's it. Hold on. I'm going to throw that far, okay? Yeah.
I think I can.
Wait, no. You see the bread? See the bread?
Should I catch one?
Oh, he's got his mouth.
No, no.
Ah,
Let's feed them. Let's feed them.
she had enough fishing. She wants to feed the geese. Here you go. Here. Wheel a couple of times.
One. Did I get? I got one, I think.
Not yet. Is mommy going to feed them? Take your time. Don't scare them. Walk slow. Walk slow.
Do you hear the mom?
See, you throw closer and closer. First, you gotta teach them like this.
Wow, they're both scaring them away.
Oh yeah, they'll hiss at people.
That's what they're doing now. Cute little hiss though.
No, you can't pet. This is not a zoo. It was a nice hour of fishing. Time to go home, get some to eat, and do something different. It's always different.